thing happened so unexpected. Like, I had no freaking idea. It was my sister and her best girl that handled everything. Like, for the first time in my life, I felt like a child. I had no idea what is even going on. Do you get? But guess what? I'm moving to the UK. You guys, I was told to go and do my medicals, like I'm supposed to do a tuberculosis test, and everything is just, giving something really up. And I've never done a test in a very, very long time. I don't know what to expect. I'm supposed to go there with my international passport. Curious again, but let's get ready and go there. I was lucky scared of this test result, but anyways, everything worked out fine. In a couple of minutes, my result came out and I went home. You guys, I'm just glad that is done, but still I'm suspecting what is going on. Why are they sending me to go do a test? You guys cannot imagine how curious I am, but anyways, I just have to chill. I was told about the CAS interview and I prepared, prayed and went. Guys, guess what? I failed. I cried my eyes out. I refused to update you guys because I was I just want to bring good news. And guess what? I went again, prayed, called on God, and God answered. I have passed my CAS interview. Oh my God, I'm so excited. You guys, let's unbox what my sister sent to me from Canada. You guys, I'm so freaking excited. As you can see, everything is already pinking. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? This is so pretty. Shoot! You guys, when I say you could never, can you see? You could never. Okay, next. Oh, it's sort of like a two-piece. This is so pretty. This is beautiful. The gym, you guys prepare to be sick of me, bitch. Damn. You guys are not on my level. You guys are not on my level. Look at this bag. Look at this pretty bag. Things are inside. You people, stop. Jesus, I'm so freaking excited. Can your big sister ever? You guys be dealing with broke ass bitches. Jeez, there's so much more. Are you kidding? You guys, just look. Wow. Damn. Jeez, I'm asking. Look at this. Is going to be a dress or something. Is already. Oh my gosh, shut down. It's been less than a few months I moved into this apartment. I love it. It has every vibe and I really enjoy staying here. But also knowing that I'll be relocating to the UK soon is kind of shocking. A lot of thought. I'm wondering oh my God, how am I going to survive? How will the house be? Will I love it? How will the work and schooling thing? There's just so much thought. But I'm just choosing to be really positive. I don't know if you guys get me so I'm just hoping that my visa gets approved as soon as possible so I can finally get it over. Everything is finally becoming clear. You guys, I just got my CAS later. This is a big deal. I freaking got my CAS later. Oh my God, you cannot tell how excited I am. Damn. So you guys, now my CAS letter is out. That means I have a very limited time to be in Nigeria. This is so insane. I'm so happy because finally everything is just making sense. Does that even make sense, you guys? And from what I heard, after you get your CAS letter, you apply for your visa. And guys, these days I've just been eating, thinking, fixing my house. I don't even want to go out, but I have a lot of things to still do, so I'm just chilling and all of that. Oh my God. By the way, this macaroni hit differently. I'm not even going to do it. Was so tasty. It was so tasty. So I just came to VSF to do my biometrics today, and you guys, this still feels very unreal. I'm excited and I'm still shocked. Can you even believe that? Everything is coming together and I cannot believe it. My sister pays for priority. That means unless in a few days I should be getting my feedback whether my visa application was successful or not. You guys pray. I really want this to be successful, okay? My god, I'm so scared. I don't think people talk enough about how relocating to the UK or maybe any country. In fact, relocation in general involves a lot. You are going through confusion, you are excited, it is bittersweet. You don't even know exactly like what you feel like. It's so crazy. And then should we talk about the stress and all of that? But guess what, guys? I can't even relate to that stress. I just feel like a neighbor baby. Everything was just so sorted by my big sister. You guys, like, this feels so good. I will even lie to you guys. Like, I've never felt. I feel so good having someone pick up the most difficult thing on earth, doing it for you from A to Z. Like, I mean, you guys, my big sister is not on your level. She's not on your level. Like, she's always drinking bigger. You guys, the standard is up here. Do you get? But like, I just know that without, imagine I had to like go through all of that. Like, this is just freaking stressful. Only thing I had to do is to shop, decide what I want to get, and I'm already like confused. What do I get? Should I get a pink bag? Should I get, a nude bag? That is confusing enough. So like, shout out to everybody that have already done this. Like, you just did it all by yourself. I know it's huge. And shout out to my sister's bestie. Like, oh my god, she just took it upon herself and she was just doing literally everything. Like, I'm so loved though. Like, you guys, I'm loved at home.
I am the main her. Word to the baby in the major. Swerve on these hoes, no indicator. Cake for days, I don't need a baker. One Barbiana, Vogue Italiana. The best dress, yes, shut down Megaliana. They won't go far, but hoes ain't got fathers. Don't call me mother, you hoes ain't my daughters. Every season in the winter, 10-4.
I got an email, and guess what it says? Your UK visa is successful. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so damn grateful. I don't even look as excited as I feel right now. You guys cannot tell. Like, I am so freaking excited. Like, did God just do this? Like, did I just get my visa? What are you talking about? So you guys, the shopping starts now. I had to go to the market to start buying the food stuff because according to my sister, the food stuff is the most important thing because it's really expensive abroad. And I came to this big market to buy stuff like crayfish, stockfish, okwa, you guys, breadfruit, because why not? So guys, we're going to get me a big box, a traveling box. Like, you guys, I've never bought or had a new box. Like, I just had like a box I shall just have because it's my sister's home, but now I'm finally like getting something I really want. And guys, I'm going for pink. Look at how cute it is looking. Like, everything about pink is so cute. Now I paid for the big one and the hand luggage. You guys, everything is just so expensive. I never knew there could be a day when I am so freaking excited and at the same time I'm anxious, I'm worried, and I'm kind of like a little bit sad. Like, I'm always someone that is either I'm on the left or I'm on the right. I don't like to mix it up, but like right now, this minute I'm so excited, next minute I'm so be like, what is going on? Well, at this point, one thing I'm really so happy about is that I finally get to push myself out of my comfort zone. I think ever since I graduated, I moved back to Abuja, Nigeria, and I have been here. Like, you guys, can you believe that it's almost 5 years? Like, it's literally 5 years. Even when I was counting it to talk about it in this video, like, I was just so surprised. I was like, wait, you graduated for like over 5 years? Are you serious? And that is why it makes so much sense that this is really the right time to go pursue my master's. This is really the right time to like push myself out, because on the level that I am, I've really topped it. Do you get? Like, I've learned the lesson, I've gotten the experience. So what I'm going to say is that I feel like I'm already in my comfort zone. Do you get? And that kind of like sound good. You get? It's just like when you exceed, like I've exceeded the point that I am. And remembering myself back in the university while I was about to graduate, I always look forward to like life after school. Myself then will be so proud of myself right now, because like, Can you imagine I'm saying that this place I am right now is my comfort zone? This place I am right now was like a place that I really dreamt, and I was like, oh my god, you need to move back to Abuja, start your own life, get your own apartment, start your work, decide on what you want to do with your life. All of that was like a big deal that was on my list. I freaking took that up. God is so faithful. So now, yeah, this is now my comfort zone, and I have bigger dreams. And while it's scary moving to the UK, like, I mean, not Abuja, Nigeria again, it's kind of like scary. And I became that same person in 2021, thinking of how to move back to Abuja, living alone and going for NYSC, looking for a job, looking for what to do. And now I find myself in that spot again. Like, now this time around is that I'm moving to the UK, and how will I survive, the job I'm going to do, the people I'm going to meet. But guys, what if I could do it then, I could do it now. And you have to get comfortable being uncomfortable, right? I'm just ready for this new chapter, even when I'm not ready, because you will never be ready, baby. Okay, so let's do it.
Semeki mazifeneme asinga kolamani opanu eje koneku asinga kolamani anomo fumo weli feneme asinga kolamani opanu eje koneku asinga kolamani echiko kike na ba fenele asinga kolamani opanu eje koneku asinga kolamani anomo riro weli feneme asinga kolamani opanu eje koneku emana kawaba yemma nzubemma ichitomma olo yemma you guys,
today is the final day. I'm traveling today by midnight. Can you believe that? I feel so many things. Like, my sister kept telling me that I do not have time, and in reality I do not have time. And we are still trying to do the final packing process. Like, I keep removing clothes. Like, I don't even have any other thing, but I'm still worried about the weight. We have to weigh it to be sure that everything is like 23 kg. And you guys, I just feel different things. Don't worry, I'm going to update you guys. Let me go run the last errand. We need to buy kilishi, and then we are changing money. I'm going to bring you guys along on today's last errand. All right, bye.
Ebe nwa pụtalụ nwa na chake, ebe nwa pụtalụ nwa bụ nkili, ebe nwa pụtalụ wonu agbaje boys. Ihula ndị boys agbariba, ndasiri akwariba, amudi na ka ọha kene, nwa mgbaga shakwashiba.
Mr. Flavor on the microphone.
So you guys, we have gotten the kilishi and we have changed money. So I want to pick up my skincare. Oh my god, my heart is beating like I don't have anywhere to run to. This shit is happening today. Okay, we are at Met Flores. You guys, do you shop here? Someone has to eat because like we have like few hours because I'm traveling by midnight, you guys. I don't even know how I feel, but like anyways, I'm just so grateful, happy, scared, you know, just having all of the feeling at the same time that in just a few hours I'm freaking leaving. And you guys, we did just that. Now you know what's even shocking? I had to leave the house by 2 a.m. Like, I've never ever done that. I left the house by 2 a.m. My boat guy showed up. Anyway, if you're in Abuja and you need a boat guy that you can trust, you can DM me. Anyways, we started going to the airport. We were right on time. The guy didn't disappoint. So this is Abuja International Airport. And guys, I was just like, the final, like, this is literally it. This is the moment. This is when it's going to freaking happen. Oh my god. So we made it. god, this is so real. I'm so excited and I really cannot wait. I cannot wait. So this is my outfit. Yeah. Yep. And this is my books. Alright guys, see you in the next place. Bye.
Moolah. Yo. Yeah. Hey yo, I know what these niggas like and it ain't my charm. I ain't stupid, this 250 on my arm. I like money more than dick, nigga, that's a fact. You think pussy's everything? Well, let's have a chat. Ash out, pussy fat, point me to a rich nigga. Okay, I get it, let me think, I guess it's my turn. Maybe it's time to put this on your sideburns. He say I'm bad, he probably right.
The money is just so crazy. We have been here for over half an hour. We put it around 7 and this is like 12 hours. That means I still have like about 2 hours close before we get to London. Oh my god, like I'm in city watching a movie, give us something to eat. It wasn't so great anyways, but like, so this is updates, okay? Alright, see you guys in London. Finally, we're in London. Can you guys believe it? This airport is so big. Went through the immigration. I just passed. You know, they just asked me a few questions. But anyway, you guys here is so freaking beautiful. And the most exciting part is seeing people from different races, different countries, different, literally everything, values, background, and all of that. Like, it's just so beautiful. People complimenting me, telling me, "Oh my god, you love pink." And I'm like, yes, baby, I do love pink. In fact, I am pink, okay? Anyways, like, I'm just like having fun. Let's talk about my outfit. Look at how pretty, gorgeous, amazing. I'm just so cute. Oh my god, I'm so cute. I'm that girl. You guys, it's 9:04 and I'm finally boarding the connecting flight. I am so exhausted. Can you believe that I waited for 7 good hours for this flight? But finally, we are going to Manchester. Oh my god, I've had such a long day. I'm so freaking exhausted. Anyway, I'm staying at the window side. I just really love this place. This is like my favorite seat, kind of. Okay, see you in Manchester. I'll see you in Liverpool. Bye.
Yo, when I fly, it's one letter and one number. You whack hoes could get hot for one summer. After that, the queen is still reign.
You guys who picked me up? My sister's best friend that is a doctor. We have doctor husband. Whatever you do, make sure you're dealing with people that are rich. Okay, this is so good. I don't have to book Uber. Like, I just felt so special. Everybody just taking good care of me. Like, I feel like a baby. Alright, we are at Liverpool. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.